Subdomains help organize website sections like blogs, shops, or forums. Hostinger's H-panel makes creation easy for standard hosting plans. Not applicable if your root domain uses Hostinger Website Builder. Create via DNS records instead. Steps to create a subdomain. Log into your Hostinger account and navigate to websites in the dashboard. Click Dashboard or Manage next to the website or domain you want to add the subdomain to. In the left sidebar, go to Domains Subdomains. Under Create a new subdomain, enter the desired subdomain name. For example, blog for blog, yourdomain.com. Optionally, select a custom folder and directory for the subdomain files. Recommended to keep default for simplicity. Click Create. The subdomain is created instantly and points to a folder in public or HTML. DNS handles automatically if your domain uses Hostinger name servers. Next steps, upload files via File Manager, FTP, or install apps, for example WordPress, on the subdomain. If domain points elsewhere, manually add an A record pointing to your hosting IP.